Stopping this factory for just 10 minutes costs more than most people earn in an entire year, and the damage doesn't stop when the machines turn back on. This factory runs every hour of every day, not because it wants to, but because stopping is worse. From the outside, it looks calm. Machines move in perfect rhythm. Products flow forward without hesitation. But underneath that smooth motion is a system built on pressure. Raw materials arrive on tight schedules. Energy flows nonstop. Workers rotate in shifts timed down to the minute. Every part of this system assumes one thing: nothing stops. Because the moment it does, everything changes. What makes stopping so expensive isn't the machines, it's what happens after they stop. Most people imagine a factory like a light switch, on, off, simple. But factories don't work that way. Stopping a production line doesn't erase what's already in motion. Materials are mid-process. Liquids are mid-flow. Heat, pressure, and timing are already locked in. And when the line stops, those materials don't disappear. They pile up. Some can't sit for long. Others become unsafe the moment timing is broken. Even with production paused, systems keep running. Cooling systems, safety monitoring, environmental controls. The factory is no longer producing, but it's still spending. To put this in perspective, every minute this line is idle, thousands are lost before a single product is even touched. And money isn't the biggest problem, time is. When production stops, timing collapses. Machines that were synchronized drift out of alignment. Temperatures fall or rise outside safe ranges. Pressure systems lose balance. Restarting isn't instant. Before a single product can move again, systems must stabilize. Sensors must recalibrate. Safety checks must restart. And none of that guarantees success. Often, the first output after a shutdown is unusable, not defective, discarded by design, because selling it would risk something worse than loss: trust. This is the part you never see. After a shutdown, factories don't gamble. If there's uncertainty about temperature consistency, contamination risk, timing errors, entire batches are destroyed. Perfectly usable products thrown away. Not because they failed, but because the system no longer trusts them. And once trust is gone, there's no shortcut back. But the real damage hasn't happened yet. It comes when the factory tries to recover. Restarting a factory is not one action. It's dozens of fragile steps. One machine starts before another. One section lags behind. One small delay creates pressure downstream. Workers wait. Schedules slip. Deliveries back up. Suppliers don't stop sending materials just because production paused. Storage fills. Waste increases. The longer the line stays down, the harder it becomes to bring back. This is why factories fear stopping more than running inefficiently, because inefficiency is manageable. Collapse is not. From the outside, nonstop production looks greedy. From the inside, it's survival. And every product you use carries the cost of avoiding that risk. This system wasn't built to stop. It was built to flow. And once flow becomes the priority, everything else adapts around it. Labor, energy, waste, decisions. The price you pay isn't just at the register. It's in the destroyed products you never see. The energy burned during idle time. the pressure placed on systems designed to never pause. Efficiency isn't about speed, it's about avoiding breakdown. Knowing this, do you think factories should be forced to slow down, even if it means higher costs and more waste? Or is nonstop production the only way this system survives? Let me know what you think.